So I'm curious, how does SQL Server manage memory and buffer pool usage?
Well, SQL Server uses the buffer pool as its main memory consumer to cache data pages. It dynamically adjusts memory to optimize performance, balancing between different internal components. In one project, we had a large e-commerce database, and we configured the max server memory setting to ensure SQL Server didn't consume too much and starve the OS. We monitored the buffer cache hit ratio to ensure it stayed above 90%, which indicated efficient memory usage.
That's interesting. How do you handle situations where the memory pressure is high?
Actually, when we notice memory pressure, we first check the memory grants pending to see if queries are waiting for memory. We also look at the page life expectancy counter. In a recent scenario, we tuned some of the long-running queries to reduce their memory footprint by optimizing joins and indexes, which helped alleviate the memory pressure.
You mentioned monitoring the buffer cache hit ratio. Can you explain how you set up that monitoring and what tools you used?
Sure, so we set up monitoring using SQL Server Management Studio with custom alerts on those performance metrics. We also use a third-party tool like Redgate SQL Monitor for more detailed insights. This setup allowed us to receive alerts when the buffer cache hit ratio dropped below a threshold, prompting us to investigate and address any issues promptly.
That sounds comprehensive. What about memory leaks or unexpected memory usage spikes? How do you handle those?
Right, for memory leaks, we regularly review the DB performance reports and look for any anomalies in memory usage patterns. Profiling queries using dynamic management views helps us identify and fix memory-intensive operations. In one case, we discovered a stored procedure that was not releasing memory properly due to a cursor not being closed. Fixing that resolved a significant memory spike issue.
Great. Thank you for sharing those insights from your project experience. That covers SQL Server memory management and buffer pool usage comprehensively.